You are about to watch a very fancy video. In fact, it's going to be so fancy that I just received this box from UPS saying that it was shipped to Fancy from Fancy Company and it contains fancy contents. Wow. And I'm pleased to announce that all of you get to partake in the unboxing of these fancy contents with me by watching this YouTube video. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. It also allows you to track your purchases across all cards and helps you identify which card to use to earn the most rewards. And if you sign up for MAXREWARDS Gold, it automatically activates your card-linked offers, quarterly spend categories, and a whole lot more. You can get your first month free by using the link in the description. The time has now come to unbox the fancy box. It says so right here. And while I normally do my credit card unboxing videos with the assistance of a completely unnecessary prop, this box actually has a tear strip going across the top, so I don't need a prop to do this video. However, I still want a prop in this video. So I shall be doing this unboxing video with this completely unnecessary fancy spatula. And since I don't actually need it, I'm just going to hold it. Well, that wasn't exactly smooth, but there you go. I found a use for the spatula after all. Oh yes. The Ritz Carlton has been served. Ladies, gentlemen, and all other human beings of this planet, I now invite you to a special front row viewing of the Ritz Carlton credit card box. And due to the elegant, soft touch, almost velvety packaging and very classy drawstring here on the back, I actually have to up my own game as a human being. Much better. Now the chances of this actually staying on my shirt for the duration of the video are just about 0, so I'm going to remove that, but I just wanted you to be able to see that. Now, back to business. I gotta say, the attention to detail for luxury credit cards, and especially anything coming from the Ritz Carlton, is incredible. Not only did it say the Ritz Carlton credit card on the outside, but underneath the actual flap, it still says the Ritz Carlton. And the first thing that comes out of the envelope is the actual card itself. Pretty cool. And it comes in this really nice, almost like hard cardboard frame, actually. Pretty cool, with a little bit, let me cover up the numbers here, a little bit of a punch hole here on the back to pop out the card really easily. You just push through that circular hole. And it also folds down and opens up just like that. So let me eject the card without it flying to the floor. There we go. That's actually really nicely built. Gotta find some other use for this. Perhaps as a fancy way to frame my new name. What do you all think? Now back to the actual card itself. Here is the Ritz Carlton credit card up close. A very, very sleek, clean front design here, which I like a lot. All of the numbers and dates and all that, like the expiration date, the numbers to call if you need assistance, are all on the back of the card. And before I show you the back of the card, of course, we've got to cover up a lot of this information with some sticky notes. And of course, we have to be fancy while doing that too. Cheers. And in case you're wondering, no, I do not drink champagne at 10 a.m., nor am I going to get wasted on my own YouTube video. So that was actually vanilla plant-based milk. Also very fancy. Made with pea protein. And here is the reverse of the Ritz Carlton card. You can see my name right there, the expiration date, all that. Of course, I covered up the number. It says it's issued by JP Morgan instead of just Chase, which is kind of cool. And my favorite line of all, it says right down here in the bottom left, contains metal, do not shred. Now, since you're watching this video on the Mark Reese channel, I do have an obligation to present you with some drop test comparisons, and even some weight comparisons, especially with the older version of the Ritz Carlton card. But before we get there, we have some more unboxing to do with this fancy boxing packaging, and to hold you over, here's one more look at that super clean front side of the card, which I really am liking a lot. That's your pre-drop test. Now let's see what else we have in this envelope. And it's another envelope. This one is white with no text or logos anywhere to be found on it. I guess you could call it a semi-gloss envelope, which feels kind of nice to the touch. Some more paperwork here inside. And on this paperwork is a few things that you cannot see, so I'm gonna cover those up with some Post-it notes and be right back. And by right back, I mean you get to watch me cut up the Post-it note. Okay, and here's what the piece of paper says. Thank you for choosing the Ritz Carlton Credit Card. Exceptional rewards, extraordinary benefits. Number of cards, 1. Account ending in 2693, which is a pretty significant number, which I'll explain a little bit further in this video. Credit access line, which is my credit limit of $10,000. And then the cash access line, which I'll never use because that is for cash advances, which I don't do because those have high fees and high interest. Then it also came with my guide to benefits right here to learn about my travel and purchase protections, as well as some other things as well. As a Visa Infinite card, there are a ton of different benefits to go over that the Visa side of the equation provides on this card. Now, if you saw my other video about how I got the Ritz Carlton card in the first place, you'll know that it was done via a product change from the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card. And if you have not seen that video, it looks just like this. I will be sure to link it in the description below this video and as one of the end cards of this video. So if you want to go watch it to see how you can also go get the Ritz Carlton credit card, that video will take you through all the details step by step to make it happen. So here is my original Ritz Carlton card that I got back in 2016, so roughly 5 years ago, and it ended in 2693 that you can see right here on the back. I then downgraded this card after a while to the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card, and as you can see here on the back, it also ended in 2693, so my account number was preserved. And then my new Ritz Carlton card that you just saw me unbox from that fancy box is also right here, and it still ends in 2693. So once again, over the course of 5+ years now, my account number has always remained the same, but the actual 3-digit codes and expiration dates on the back of the cards have changed. And in case you'd like to see both of these cards side by side, here you go. The one right here is the original Ritz card, and this right here is the new one. They are pretty much identical in terms of how they look. The difference here is that the old one here was a full metal card, where this new one is a plastic metal hybrid. And so everything was laser etched onto the original card here. Same with the stuff here on the back. Again, most of it was all laser etched into the metal slab. And then everything on the newer version here is all just printed onto the outer layers of plastic. So again, this new version has a plastic back, a plastic front, and if you can see it, it has a metal core that runs in between those two pieces of plastic. And of course, that makes it just like the Sapphire Preferred, the Sapphire Reserve, the IHG Premier, and a few other cards that chase issues. But since the card's no longer being advertised for new applications with bonuses or anything like that, it made no sense to have an expensive card that was discontinued. In fact, back when the card was still available to new applicants, it actually came in a much fancier boxing as well. So it was a very thick, almost like a book. And you could open it up here. The card would be on the left-hand side. Hopefully this all fits in the camera. Card was right here with a nice welcome note and then a drawstring ribbon that was pulled out to give you easy access to the high picture, high gloss booklet of all the different benefits of the card here, which was super nice. Terms and conditions followed right there on the back with an envelope. That was the welcome booklet, and this detailed all the major benefits of the card at the time when it used to have a $395 annual fee. It's now $450. So yes, it has been downgraded quite a bit. Here's the new packaging that you just saw. Here's the old packaging, the different thicknesses. This is way heavier and also had a very like a velvety matte finish to it. It was really, really nice and came in a packaging like UPS box that was probably, I'd say, 4 to 5 times heavier. But again, JP Morgan was not going to invest all that money in all the thick cardboard and thick card stock and the metal card and all that, again, if they're no longer actively promoting the card. So it made sense why they really cut their marketing budget. I just keep all the old stuff so that way I can show it to you in these videos. Are you all ready for some drop tests? Good, because I am too. Okay, we'll first begin with the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card here, which is the card I originally upgraded from to get my new Ritz Carlton card, and this is a plastic card. So here's what the plastic card sounds like. And again, and again. Now let's compare that to the new Ritz Carlton card, which is the metal plastic hybrid. A bit louder. Let's do it again. Definitely more dramatic. And one more time. Now we'll compare that to the actual Chase Sapphire Reserve here, which is the same construction as the new Ritz Carlton card, again with that metal on the edge. Let me actually show that to you on both cards here. So the Ritz and the Sapphire Reserve have that, let's see if I can get them together, that metal strip there on the edge with the front and the back of the cards being plastic. So here is the Sapphire Reserve. Ooh, a little bit of a balancing act on that one. So yes, those two pretty much sound the same right there. I'll line those up a little bit. And then we have the old Legacy Ritz Carlton card with, again, that beautiful laser etching onto the card. Here's what that one sounded like. Ah, wasn't that relaxing? So there you have it, the unboxing of the new / old / discontinued Ritz Carlton credit card that you can still get, even though it's no longer constructed like it used to be. It's still a fantastic card to have if you're a frequent Marriott Bonvoy hotel stayer, if you prefer upscale and luxury hotels, or if you want the best Priority Pass membership in all of the entire credit card industry right now. And if you'd like to learn what I mean by all that, I will have a full in-depth review of this card coming very soon, and also a comparison from this card versus the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant card, both of which have $450 annual fees and a lot of very similar benefits, although there are some very important distinctions like that Priority Pass membership. Plus, their annual $300 credits are extremely different too. With all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit or at least entertain others, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on those notifications, because that way you can be notified for some awesome credit card education and extremely entertaining unboxing videos. Also, check out those links located down below in the description area for some great credit card offers to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. It also allows you to track your purchases across all cards and helps you identify which card to use to earn the most rewards. And if you sign up for MAXREWARDS Gold, it automatically activates your card-linked offers, quarterly spend categories, and a whole lot more. You can get your first month free by using the link in the description. And to wrap it all up, after you've watched this video, perhaps also my product change video of how to get the card, and also my forthcoming video about the in-depth review and comparison, although if you're watching this video in the future, those may have already been uploaded to the channel. So once you've watched all these Ritz Carlton videos that I have uploaded to the channel, definitely let me know down below in the comments if you also intend to get this card via the upgrade method for as long as that approach is still valid. Because right now, JP Morgan is still servicing this card, but you never know how much longer that may last for. So if you want it, go get it. I thank you all for tuning into today's video. I hope it brought you some great value and a little bit of fun, smiles, laughter, and entertainment. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, do remember, you are extremely great. And since you just watched a Ritz Carlton credit card video, you're also very fancy.